unboxing, right? The unboxing of the Nuance audio glasses. So let's see if I can get it out of here. All right, and I'm afraid I'm going to break them. They're so awesome. Oh, I already ripped the box. This is not going to go well for me. There we go. Behind the scenes. Ooh. More. This is kind of like one of those Russian dolls. Oh, here we go. 3, 2. This is the first look at the Nuance audio from Essilor. And as somebody who's suffering from hearing loss, I am really looking forward to trying these. All right, about to get started. I'm going to go to the QR code and download the app. And let's see what we got. All right, so I've got my Nuance audios on. Just went through the setup process. The surprising thing is how light they are. I mean, with a technology like this, and looking at the frames, I would have thought they would be really heavy. And I have a really small bridge, so fit is great. I've got it set so that my hearing, I'm using the hearing function now. My hearing loss is really in crowded environments, not in a quiet office like this. So I'm looking forward to checking it out later today in a crowded environment. Always an excuse to have a whiskey too. So stand by for more.